I I found this kamunga tree, and I know, and I'm wondering, how how if there's kamunga trees in other cultures. We usually mix up kamunga with our soup called utang Bisaya, and this tree reminds me of utang Bisaya. It's my favorite soup in the entire culture. Ah, the lovely leaf of kamunga.
My name is Antona Elena Ailata Riflo. Today, we are here to observe Mother Nature's creations. I observed this blue turnip. This little flower can also be used for tea and for drinks. This little flower came from a beautiful vine. Since at the beginning, nature is very beautiful. This reminds me of how I want to give it to my beautiful mother. Thank you so much. Come back again. Bye.
My name is Jeffrey Peter L. Ruffalo Jr. I observed the colors of this flower is green, white, and yellow. This flower came from this flower bush. And I'm here in the basketball court to do nature study with my one brother and one sister. That's why I'm observing in the basketball court to do nature study. This flower reminded me of giving this flower to my sister.